Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? I am with my cousin right now. He's driving the EM2. We're heading to the shop because I got a little something for the EM2. And right now I'm currently blind because I got a piece of metal in my eye. Well, they took it out and now I have to have this shit over my eye. So just a piece of advice: wear your goggles, your glasses, and all your shit, because you end up like this and this shit fucking hurts. It's not fun. But let's go to the shop. Oh man, look at her, look at her. Sorry about the wind, guys. I know you guys are gonna hear it because I'm not using the camera once again. Sitting mad nice. Let's bring her to the shop right quick. Alright, so basically, getting rid of these wheels because I had a vision with some other wheels and the way I wanted to do this car. The car is in the shop. We have it right now. It's on the jack right now. I'm gonna take off the wheels and throw them on. I'm gonna show you the wheels right now. Alright, these are the wheels. They are Avid ones, blades, or whistlers, should I say. I've been wanting these wheels for a while, but I particularly wanted these wheels on this car. Like, that's what I could see them with. With the amount of stuff that I'm gonna do to this car, like I said, it's gonna be an eBay built car, so I can show you guys that you can build a stance car, a slim car, a nice car, anything you want to call it, on a budget. This is what happens when you run negative camber. You think these tires were already bad? They had a lot of meat, kind of.
Yeah, but nigga, this shit,
That's
a whole
bad.
deal.
Unless it's like hitting something in there. Now, let me check. Love the way these wheels look on this car. Oh, that's so nice. Let's go to the left side or the passenger side. Let's put the other one on. Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Ooh. Is it sitting lower?
I think.
It is, right?
Yeah, I think it is.
Damn.
Ooh, the thunder.
Jack it up.
But it's something under the tire.
That's what I'm about to do. So this is how low it's gonna be, guys. Jesus Christ. It's definitely lower for sure. Alright, let's go to the back. That's how much camber I'm trying to run, bro. This shit look broken. Take a fat look, man. This is what it looks like when you try to run with wide wheels. You don't have a fender roller. I would have done that, but you know, I'm legally blind right now, so. Moment of truth. Keep your fingers crossed that this shit's gonna fit without rubbing. Go. Get your finger out of there, you fucking asshole. Still touching it?
No. Just like, I think it will, like, si con un bump, see?
Check the other side.
No, I have to fucking do the same shit. It's not touching it, but like, if you have a bump, it's gonna float.
Pesos.
se va a llevar el carro hoy para la casa, coño!
Today was a success, but a failure. Everything fits, but now the muffler is hitting the floor. Or the cat, should I say. Close the door. So the cat hits. Oh. I don't know where it's hitting. Can't drive it home. The muffler sits too hot, low. But I think that's it for today's videos, guys. I'm sorry that I'm so much pain right now. My eye hurts so bad. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.